Hi guys, welcome. Thank you for joining me as we talk about, can energy drinks be healthy? So many of the times we run into a slump during the day or during the weekend, and we just want to have that pick-me-up so we can get stuff done, go have fun with friends, not be tired or the downer at a party. And so we grab the nearest thing that we can to boost us up. Quite often that's an energy drink. But do we know what we are drinking? So many energy drinks have a lot of refined sugar. And most of us know that refined sugar is something we have to cut back in or even eliminate out of our diets. And who you are, you may be in a different stage of that, whether you're eliminating some, most, or all. And then you look to the other side of the energy drinks where it's zero sugar. Those ones quite often will have aspartame, will have acetylflame, will have sucralose. Those three are artificial sweeteners. They're unnatural sweeteners. So what does that do in your body? You can look up different studies on what those would do. So you want to have an energy drink that can boost you up, but you don't want to do harm to your body in so doing. Well, I have an energy drink here that is called Elevate, from a company that we are a part of called Neolife. And they have been such a great company. We use mostly their supplements to keep our immune system up, to keep us energized, to keep us healthy. And we have our family on them. We have 6 children, and all 6 children have that Neolife vitamins, those Neolife vitamins going through them. So back to this energy drink called Elevate. It has 120 milligrams of caffeine. Now it's naturally sourced caffeine from green tea. To balance that out, they have paired it with suntheanine, 200 milligrams of suntheanine. That helps to even things out. You know that jittery feeling if you had too much caffeine? These two things paired together work synergistically to help you stay even, to help you not get that anxiety, panicky, jittery feeling if you have too much caffeine. My wife does not do well with caffeine, and she can do these energy drinks. She doesn't feel any of those effects, and she's very sensitive. She doesn't even have to have too much caffeine in order for it to affect her that way, and yet she can drink these. So if you are sensitive, you can try these. Maybe they'll work for you too. But if you are sensitive, I do suggest you do little increments and build yourself up just to make sure you don't have a full-blown anxiety attack from the caffeine. Anyway, back to what it's got. It's got B vitamins, it's got vitamin D, taurine, and folic acid. They've created this one also to have electrolytes in it. Not only is it energizing, it is also hydrating. It helps to keep you mentally focused. It helps to keep you at a stable energy. The flavor is Tropical Splash. It comes in a box of 30 individually packed serving sizes. So you can just tear one open. You don't have to measure anything out. Tear one open, pour it in your cup, stir it up, drink it. You can have it concentrated, so if you want an energy shot, you can water it way down, put ice in it, and just enjoy it as a tall, cold glass sweetened beverage. It is sweetened with stevia. It has 10 calories, 0 sugars, it's non-GMO, and it's no artificial sweeteners, colors, or preservatives. It is gluten-free. It is vegetarian. These handy little packets can go in your pocket on the go, so you can just dump them in a water bottle when you're ready to drink it. You need that pick-me-up, the hydration, and the energy. I'll put the link down below so that way you guys have easy access to it. That link will give you an option to get up to 20% off. So take advantage of that deal. Get yourself some natural energy boosting things that also hydrate you, and stay healthy, stay energized, stay focused, and we'll catch you later.